What's up YouTube? This is Dragon with Growthinspire. I'm back with another video going to be talking about some steps that you can take to repair your credit. Whether you want to repair your credit yourself or if you have a credit repair business or starting a business, definitely watch this video here. I'll give you guys a few simple steps that can help repair your credit or start the credit repair process. Before we get started with this video, please shop the Growthinspire Shop. I got a ton of apparel, goodies, shirts, hoodies, and so much more. It helps me grow my channel and provide more value and videos to you guys at no cost. So I appreciate you guys who've been supporting the movement and rocking the merchandise. It definitely does not go unnoticed. I appreciate you guys a lot for doing that for me. After this video here, I'll leave a link for you guys to check out my do-it-yourself credit repair kit. I will even add a 50% off discount for you guys to even use to save money and get access to my templates, a handbook, and so much more. So definitely check out the digital store. I'll leave a link for my do-it-yourself credit repair kit. It comes with everything that you'll need to basically start the dispute process. The first step that you want to take is pulling your credit report. You can pull your credit report on annual credit report, and you can do it for free once a year, or you can create an account with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian from their websites directly. So that's the first thing you want to do is pulling your credit report. That is the foundation, as you got to know what's on there that can cause a lot of damage to your credit. The next thing you want to do is pinpoint the adverse information that is affecting your credit and your credit score. You have to know exactly what is hurting your credit profile. It can be charge-offs, collections, it could be inquiries, it could be late payments. You just have to know like what is in there and what is causing the most damage. So that is something that I highly recommend people to do. The last thing that you want to do is getting the dispute, making your dispute letters and then mailing them off to the credit bureaus. It depends on what you want to use exactly. Given that I have a do-it-yourself credit repair kit, I have all the templates that you need to basically initiate a dispute, whether it's with the credit bureaus or with a debt collector, or it can even be with the furnishers as well. So I have tons of dispute kits and templates that you can choose from. So that's really the last thing that you want to do is basically putting together your dispute letters and mailing them off. And that's pretty much it. Some people necessarily don't even need credit repair, they just need a little bit of guidance. Given that I am a credit consultant, I can look at your credit profile and give my best recommendations for you. I'll leave a link for you guys to check that out as well. If you want to consider that, I'll leave a link for you guys, and then I'll have that 50% off discount as well that you can apply to it. So that's something that you definitely don't want to miss out, and I highly recommend people to take my guidance and follow my directions, as I can give some of the best advice out there. It has helped change lives and get people funding and get people those things that they always wanted. If you like this video here, please like, subscribe, comment your thoughts about it. If you need to get at me, you can reach me at my email, support@growthinspire.info. I appreciate you guys a lot who's been tuning in, watching these videos. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you at the next video. See ya.